Hello, good evening students. Today we have to see what are the different type of distribution systems and related one or two problems. It will help to solve the problems also. The distributors are mainly classified as depending upon the distribution may be fed at one end or both ends. The voltage may be used to feed the distributors at both ends with equal or unequal voltages are connected to the loads. Such distributors are fed at one end or both ends with equal or unequal voltages are connected to loads. The loads which are acting at a particular point of the distributor is called concentrated loads. For example, domestic type of loads. The loads which are spread over the particular distance of the distributor are called distributed loads. Now we can discuss concentrated loads fed at one end. You can see the diagram. It shows A to B one line and A dash B dash as return line. The distributor is further classified as fed. Voltage may fed at one end or it may be fed at both ends. You have to see one simple first condition: concentrated load fed at one end. Suppose A to B is a line, then A, B, C R sections are having suitable lengths L1, L2, L3 from the point A, and let I1, I2, I3 be the currents for sections. That is, for I1 be the current for capital A to small a, I2 be the current from small a to small b section, and I3 be the current from B to C as shown in figure, which are lying at a distance L1, L2, L3 respectively as shown in diagram, and A dash B dash is a return path. Once again see there, let L1, L2, L3 be the lengths of sections AA, AB and AC respectively. The load currents are I1, I2, I3. The load currents in various sections are small I1, small I2 and small I3. By applying the KCL at various points, so I1 equal to I2 plus I3, I1 plus I2 plus I3, I2 equal to I2 plus I3, I3 equal to I3. By applying the KCL at respective points, the wire A dash B dash is the return wire of distributor. Let R dash be the resistance per unit length of conductor in ohms. By assuming this value, then respective various voltage drops becomes in the section AA small a, current is the I1, length is the L1 into R dash. In similarly section A to B, current is the I2, difference of length L2 minus L1 into R dash, and section B C, I3 is the current, difference L3 minus L2, that is into R dash, and so go on going A dash and small a dash B dash and B dash C dash. Now see there, one VTU question paper problem. A 2-wire DC distributed system is 3 km long and it supplies the loads of 200 ampere, 100 ampere, 75 ampere and 50 ampere at 800 meters, 1200 meters, 2000 meter and 3000 meter from the feeding point. Each conductor has go and return resistance of 0.04 ohms per 100 meter. calculate the voltage at feeding point is 250 volts. So this is one of the question paper problem. It is asked for 10 marks. See there, the distributor is as shown in figure. So voltage is feeding at A point, capital A point, that is voltage is 250 volts. So this voltage feeding at one point, concentrated and fed at one point. Then consider different lengths, 800 meter, 1200 meter, 2000 meter to 3000 meter are having different loads, 200 ampere, 100 ampere, 75 ampere and 50 ampere as shown in figure. So first section, capital A to small a, that is the carrying current of small I1. Second section, small a to small b, carries the current of I2. In similar fashion, third section, small b to small c, I3, and fourth section, small c to capital B, it is I4. So distance you mark properly. So distance is taken with reference of point A, that is small a point lies from capital A point is 800 meter. Second one, B point lies with respect to capital A, it is of 1200 meter, sir. Then C point lies with respect to capital A, that is taken as 1200 plus 800, 2000 meters, sir. Then similarly, last point, B point to with reference to A, that is 3000 meter. In this manner we have to understand. So length is taken for each sections from the consideration of feeding point, that is capital A. Capital A we are feeding 250 volts. So 250 volts is not written. Voltage at capital A is 250 volts, 1 point fed. The resistance of various points are, calculate. Number 1, RAA 0.004 per 100 meter. This value is given, see there. Resistance per unit length is given 0.004 per 100 into 800. It becomes same value, 0.004 into 8, that is 0.032 ohms. Similarly, B to C, or second point you can go from A to B. What is the length? 400 meter. What is the resistance? 0.004 per 100 meter into 400. That becomes multiplication of 4. So it becomes 0.016 ohms. In the similar fashion, come to third section, RBC, resistance from B to C section. So again distance is 800 meter, resistance value 0.004 per 100 meter into 800. So it becomes simply multiplication of 8. You are going to get 0.032 ohms. Similarly, RCB, we are going to get 0.04 ohms. So we have to calculate, actually we have to calculate voltage drops. Then before going to calculation of voltage drops, we have to determine currents. So current I1, it becomes 200 plus 100 plus 75 plus 50, addition of all I1, I2, I3, I4, 425 ampere. In similar fashion, I2 becomes 425 total current minus of 200, it becomes 225 ampere. So I3 becomes 225 minus of 100, 125 ampere. So similarly I4 becomes 125 minus 75, 50 amperes. So after knowing the calculation of all currents, then go for voltage drops. Voltage drops at the points respective A, B, C, B. So at point A, VA equal to VA minus I1 into RAB. You substitute the value, we are going to get as 236.4. volts. Similarly, voltage at point B, VB equal to VA minus I2 into RAB. You substitute that value. So similarly, you calculate VC and VD. So these are the voltages at various load points A, B, C and B as shown in this distributor system. So such type of problems you practice for 8 to 10 marks. So I put the effort to understand of one problem. Similar problems you try. Thank you to one and all.